Hello, friends. Welcome, everybody. Good afternoon. Myself, GL Nandwana, the founder of Global Leadership Nurturing Academy. I welcome you all in this webinar. Today, we are very lucky. Today is Christmas too. I wish you all very happy Christmas. Today is my father's birthday anniversary. He left us 4 years ago. He was teacher by profession, very kind person, very energetic, very simple. He taught me to respect people, value people, help people. Lot of wisdom I have gained from my father. I dedicate this webinar to my lovely father. Are you listening, my dear friends?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Yes. So, today, Christmas. I wish you all happy Christmas. And now we start with our topic, gratitude. We will discuss in 5 chapters what is gratitude, the power of gratitude, the benefits of gratitude, how we can enhance gratitude in our life when gratitude did not work. So let's start, my dear friends, with what is the gratitude. As per dictionary, the gratitude is thankfulness, gratefulness, and to say thanks. But we here study in detail. Gratitude is to say thanks, to appreciate, to grateful. Say it by heart and feel it. Your body language and your expression should be in line with what you say and mean it by what you say. The John Kennedy, the US 35th president, said that when we express gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. Gratitude expands when we give full attention, and it is divided when our attention is divided. We control 5 things in our life: attitude, words, action, manner, and efforts. We can make gratitude to be part of each control in our life, and then our life will be much joyful. We will have a very beautiful feeling, and also with the person we interact, he will also feel good with us, and we can enjoy the benefit of gratitude Now we go to second. What is the power of gratitude? Before I go, I wish anybody want to tell about the gratitude? Most welcome. Anybody want to tell about the gratitude? Forum is open. Anybody want to tell about the gratitude? Just I request people.
चल स्टार्ट आप ही
Hello. So we start with the power of gratitude. The gratitude can transform our life. Drastically improvement we can find in our life by appreciating people, by helping them, by encouraging them. So many disease can be cured with the gratitude. The mental disease, the psychological disease, all disease we, which we find difficult by allopathic medicines can be cured by our gratitude attitude. We have some devils in our life like anger, like criticism, like not taking interest. All these habits pass away, goes away from life, and we feel we are on the top of the world. Our gratitude makes our life awesome. In every circumstances, we are ready to accept the challenges. This is the beauty of the gratitude. My dear friends, we all follow when we meet any person, we pass on the smile. We say good morning, good afternoon, thank you. We praise them. This is all wonderful words. They have a great power. When you tell like this, you tell them that you are noticing him, you value him, and in reply, you also find a good smile, a good words to you, and that make the day, good day of each other. And when this spirit pass on in the community, our community culture also shapes the new shape. Gratitude give you new perception in life. एक हमारा नजरिया लाइफ को देखने का नजरिया चेंज कर देता है. और अभी जो हमने कहते हैं दृष्टि से महत्वपूर्ण दृष्टिकोण होता है, दैट इज वेरी मच ट्रू. हाउ वी टेक एनी इवेंट इन आवर लाइफ दैट मेक डेस्टिनी. Dear friends, there are some laws of universe. Before I go to that laws, want to tell you about the life perception. Just when we awake in the morning, say thank you to God, you are alive. If you have not done a good work today, say thank you to God for the little work you have done today. If you have not done little work today, say thank you to God, you are not sick. If you are sick, say thank you to God that you did not die, you are alive. These wonderful thoughts, these perception give you a new way of thinking in your life. You always ready to face any challenges. So I want to share some universal laws. First law, what you sow, so you reap. What we give to the universe, that universe returns to us. जो हम बोएंगे वही हम काटेंगे. So very important is we always engaged ourselves in good thought, good actions, always feel good, always share good things, and that will make our life awesome, very beautiful. You will be praised everywhere where you go. You will have a good friend circle. Everybody will like to enjoy your company. Second law of universe, everything takes time to grow. This is very beautiful line, my dear friends. Sometimes we just want immediate results, but we need to believe in power of the time, in the God. I tell you one story. There is one tree in the China, bamboo tree, that grows after 4 5 years. Till 4 5 years, we have to water, water, and water only. But after 4 or 5 years, it grows 4 feet in 24 hours. And then its maximum growth rate is 3 feet per hour for a small duration. Our life is also works same way, my dear friends. So just have the patience, show your goodness, do the good acts, and definitely you will get the good returns. Third law, we have power over our actions only. Result is not in our hand. So just focus on your work. Your quality of work will give the quality of results. Good work will give you good results. Bad work will give you bad results. So We must always think good, act for good cause, and spread goodness, appreciate people. Fourth universal law is we have an obligation, my dear friends. We have an obligation to follow and teach values and our culture to new generation. What we learn from our parents, from the society, it is time to nurture the children, the proper values, the culture of our country, our community. Just remember the company with a child. We forget all the tension when we play with the child. A child enjoys each moment. He never have any difference. He love and love only. Wherever he go, he love. We teach the children to respect elders, but sometimes people forget. Can anybody can tell me what do you mean by respect here? Are you okay? Are you enjoying, my dear friends?
Yes, yes, we're enjoying.
Okay, nice. Thank you very much. So, dear friends, respect means we value. When we value someone, we also become valuable. And tell me thing, who don't want to be valuable? Who want that he is not appreciated by his fellow men, by his family, by his boss? Everybody wants that he is appreciated, he is praised. It is common hunger of all human beings. And it does not cost anything. Only it requires your love, your affection, your thought, your feeling. Always when we focus on the positive things, it will give you new ideas how you can appreciate people, how you can encourage, how you can compliment, and this all makes our life very beautiful. My dear friends, just I want to know in daily life to whom we wish to give our most gratitude. Can anybody tell me? Anybody? Just I want to interact with you. Anybody can tell me in day to day to whom you want to give your gratitude most. It is one-sided, so I want you interact with me, my dear friends.
Myself, Hina, I think,
Yes, yes. Please speak. I am
hello?
hearing.
Yes, I think the people
People?
I think the people we are living with daily in daily
Yes.
life,
Yes, yes, yes.
we are living in daily life. Like
Yes.
I'm living with my spouse, if you are
Yes.
living with your parents, so those people you should give the highest gratitude because
Yes.
it will build your relationship. It will make the relationship more easy, good.
Good, good. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Anybody more? Just it will be interactive. We will enjoy everybody very nicely. Is there anybody want to share? Tell anything? Okay, we go ahead, my dear. We must pay our most gratitude, our parents, our family, our guru, God, and it goes on. List is very long to the universe. We all are connected, interconnected. We are a soul and God. We have a strong connection with the God. हम आत्मा हैं और ईश्वर परमात्मा है. सो हमारा कनेक्शन ईश्वर से हमेशा हमेशा के लिए बना रहता है. He is controlling the universe. So there is no limit of gratitude. Just be grateful to your near and dear, everybody, all living beings, animals, everything. Just extend up to the universe and your life will be awesome. You will feel much relaxed, much relaxed. You will feel always peace of mind because you are always paying gratitude to everybody. I take some examples. Take example of your parents. Your parents did lot of sacrifice in every family. They do whatever possible so that their children get good education. They can have a good future. Sometimes people work from the morning 6 to late night so they can earn enough money and give good education. I remember one parent telling, मुझे बेचना भी पड़ा परवाह नहीं, लेकिन मैं बच्चे की पढ़ाई कंटिन्यू रखूंगा. ये एक पिता के जज्बात होते हैं. एक माँ आपको हर वक्त संबल देती है, आपकी हर वक्त हिम्मत बढ़ाती है. मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा किस्सा याद आता है आइंस्टीन का. वो पढ़ाई में बहुत कमजोर थे और स्कूल से उनका रिपोर्ट कार्ड आया था. तब रिपोर्ट कार्ड लाके उन्होंने मदर को दिया. मदर ने रिपोर्ट कार्ड देख के कहा, बेटा टीचर ने कहा है कि ये स्कूल आपके लायक नहीं है, इसलिए आप घर पे पढ़ोगे. आइंस्टीन ने काफी समय तक घर में पढ़ाई की एंड ही बिकेम द बिग साइंटिस्ट. लेकिन लेटर में क्या लिखा था, डू यू नो? लेटर में लिखा था, आपका बच्चा पढ़ाई में बहुत कमजोर है, हम इसको नहीं पढ़ा सकते. बट थैंक्स टू द मदर who covered it nicely. So no one can be well wisher than your parents. हमारा कहा जाता है माँ के चरणों में स्वर्ग होता है. माता पिता घर में भगवान के समान पूजे जाने चाहिए. ये हमारा कल्चर है. वी कम टू फैमिली. हमारा स्पाउस, हमारी पत्नी हमारी कितनी सेवा करती है. हर तरह के रिलेशंस, हर तरह से आपको आगे से आगे आपकी तैयारी रखती है. सवेरे जल्दी उठ के सारा काम करती है. कई लेडीज ऑफिस भी जाती है तो ऑफिस का काम भी करती है, घर का काम भी करती है. सो से बिग ग्रेटिट्यूड टू योर वाइफ And same way, husband also is putting his best efforts for family. हर तरह से एवरी रिलेशन, ब्रदर सिस्टर. मुझे एक स्टोरी और भी याद आती है. एक बार एक सिस्टर ने स्कूल जाना छोड़ दिया कि उसका ब्रदर जो है अच्छी सी एजुकेशन ले सके. Awesome. You see the sacrifice of that sister for brother. So all relations count too much in our life. Every relation. Always praise. No limit of praise. Give compliments. Praise them. Acknowledge them. And this habit will develop yourself new. Your relationship will improve too much. And you will enjoy the benefits of relationship. Your kids will learn how to live in the family. I want to come to Guru. गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपकी जो गोविंद दियो दिखाए. In our culture, Guru has a big place. गुरु को ही क्रेडिट दी जाती है भगवान से मिलाने की. And so we must always be too much grateful to our teacher. Recently in KBC, one teacher was called for his best teaching methodology. He was awarded $1 million for his best teaching practice. It is about 7 crore in Indian rupees. And see, he declared this prize money, 50% of the prize money he donated to the 10 teachers who have participated in this competition. Wonderful gesture. Because what he thought that what I am doing, what is my purpose, this purpose is also being served by 10 another teachers also. So I must support them also because they are covering my purpose. This is the beauty of the gratitude. It makes you generous. It makes you more commitment to your purpose. We come to our workplace. I have seen so many workplace, so many people just blame their workplace. They forget that workplace is the place to worship, where you are getting money for your family to meet the needs. We must have a good gratitude for our workplace. I remember when I was working in one of organization, I had a slogan outside the office of my wall, कर्म ही पूजा है. This is the beauty of our actions. Just remember, your actions is like worshipping God. those who are the spiritual, they always believe whatever we are doing, we are only instruments. It is at the will of the God that we are doing. So they always surrender before the God and always tell them, give us good thoughts and let the good acts being done by us. So always be feel grateful to the God. He is the universal energy supplier. Just pray the God. The power of prayer I want to share. When you pray, surrender before the God. Tell everything you are responsible. I am nothing. I want to share my prayer. I always pay gratitude to God. Abhar. Whatever I am today, always give gratitude, God. And I ask, give me good thoughts. Give me energy. Whatever you want, I can do that thing. You can have your different prayer. But this is sure that when you have a faith in the God, you offer gratitude by your kind heart, you are listened by the God. And when you meditate, God will talk you. So it has a big power. Gratitude has a big power. Our life is interdependent, interconnected. That's why I say we should be grateful to the universe. Some people make the A to Z list of the gratitude. A, appreciation. B, bathroom. C, caring. D, dog. E, ear. F, family. G, God. H, health. Everything like this. You can also make your list like this and always pay the gratitude. Number of things. More and more you offer the gratitude, more and more life will be better. When you pray, say, God, everything you will do, but when you go on the work, always consider you have all the power. At that time, don't depend on the God. When you are at the work, believe in your power and just put your energy in the work. Have belief, have the sense of gratitude. At workplace, the teamwork matters more. Just appreciate each other person. Discuss how you can improve. Compliment each other and your performance will improve. You will be likable in your team. So it has a great power. More and more you practice the gratitude, your life will be very beautiful. Are you agree, my dear friends? Dear friends, do you agree with this? That
Yes, we agree.
gratitude can make our life
Yes,
totally different.
Yes, we agree. Absolutely correct.
So now we will go to the third chapter, the benefits of the gratitude. it can give you multiple benefits. For kids, you will find your grade will increase, at workplace performance will improve, you will bring a cultural change in the community, your health will improve. So you will become healthier, wealthier, and wise. Here I want to share you what is difference between the knowledge and wise. Knowledge is you want to say something, share your knowledge. But wisdom is when and how. So always keep your wisdom with you. This why is very important word in our life. In our personal life, in our professional life, why is very important. In our life, we need to play the role of leader, where at the house or you are at the profession. And what is leadership, people know, but why not know? Why you want to play leadership? When you will search your why, then you will be more inclined to the leadership, to the your purpose. So same way is the gratitude. Just look what is the why of your gratitude. It will encourage you to offer more and more gratitude in every relationship. Now we go to another, how we can increase gratitude in our life. There are multiple ways, my dear friends, multiple ways, so many. We can write a book. Just I want to share few. We, what we think, how you act, how you feel, and how you spread. And with what add your why for every activity. You will get the ideas that what you should do to enhance the gratitude in your life. Write the gratitude journal, do the affirmation, do the meditation, visualize the good things, appreciate the good acts, see the beauty in nature, see the goodness in others. You can have a one chair in your dining table, appreciation chair. That will always remind you that when you sit on that, I have to appreciate minimum 2-3%. You can have a gratitude stickers on some of wall that will always remind you that I have to show the gratitude. There is a picture Secret, very beautiful movie. In that movie, one person has tried the gratitude rock to find the treatment of her son who was suffering from the cancer. This rock was very simple rock. It was fair only a stone. But his faith was tremendous. His faith that this rock is something great. It has power something. And he always remember God and offered the gratitude. Keep on practicing and pray for the son. The belief of the son and the father cured from the cancer. One lady also suffering from the cancer. Her husband died and she was alone and thought what to do. I don't have money to get cured. But then he got this idea from the books that gratitude can play a big role. She practiced this gratitude in her life and always tried the laughter therapy, kindness, strong faith in the God, and no negative feeling in her heart. Always have a faith, no, I will be cured. I will be cured. I am curing. I am improving. My health is improving. This thought here, two things work simultaneously. His gratitude nature and the subconscious mind. And that lady was cured from the cancer. So it has a tremendous power. You can get so many benefits, it is uncountable. I told you some mental disease can also be cured. So anybody want to add in this? Just welcome. Anybody want to add? Okay, thank you very much, my dear friends. So only 2-3 things. What is
Hello.
hello? Yes,
Hello.
yes, listening.
Hello.
Yes, yes,
Yes, I want to add something.
yes,
We show gratitude to each and everyone in life.
yes.
I think we should show gratitude to ourselves also. We should praise ourselves also, and we should thank ourselves also that we are doing great on our account in our life.
100%,
We should have
200%
this
true.
will build confidence in us that we are doing our work.
You are 200% true. Just because you say we are always responsible for our life. And just it is very truly you have said that we must always compliment ourselves. Now before some time it was told that मियाँ मिट्टू बनना खुद की बड़ाई नहीं करना लेकिन now time is changed. Universe is evolving. So new thoughts are coming. You have pointed out very right thing. We must compliment daily basis and not only one time, maybe 2-3 times that I am doing good, I am good, and it will be very good for you. Thank you very much. Nice. So sometimes when it not work, 2-3 things only, sometimes people have a lot of ego. Some ego is people definitely have 100% egoless we cannot be, but we can reduce our ego, then we can have the multiple benefits of the gratitude. And second is if we are doing half-hearted, also then we are not getting in the long run. We will get the short-term benefit, but not in the long run. And third is our intention. Our intention should be good, then definitely will sooner or later get the results of the gratitude. So thank you very much, all my dear friends, for your active participation. this our Global Leadership Nurturing Academy will continue to do such webinar in year 2021 also. And our idea is to help them just untap the potential of pupil and just make them sure that the life is very precious and there is no limit of growth. So always big, high, aim high, and you will get what you wish when your intentions are good. Our Academy will always support you. I wish you all the Happy New Year 2021. Best wishes and thank you for your active participation. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.